What's up, guys? We got a big box here, big surprises. I'm going to try getting into motorcycles. And I'm gonna say try because I've been dabbling a little, but I wanna showcase the entire experience. So I've been looking for some hardware sponsors, and Sena has been nice enough to send us 2 INC Pro helmets. And I am actually very excited because when you wanna showcase your motorcycle-y goodness, you need a way to communicate and you need a way to film it, and this is the perfect way to do it.
I'm shaking a little bit. I'm so excited.
Well, I'll let you. This is the Christmas for
Ready?
Jason. Yeah. Oh. Okay. So basically, the INC Pro helmets are motorcycle helmets that are to the Department of Transportation standards, but they have a mounted comms and a mounted camera. Ooh. Hold on.
One.
Okay, one. Scooch. And then scooch. Box. Okay, which one?
This way.
Which one's which?
This way.
Which one is which, though?
What?
Size? Because, one's yours and one's mine.
Oh, yeah.
Extra small. This one's
Okay.
mine. Okay.
Mine has a tear in the box.
Do you wanna send it back or?
The box is not the most important part. Let's keep going.
Okay.
Packaged very well. Very protected. Lots of foamies. Comes with a helmet bag.
Ooh.
It's your standard helmet bag.
Standard helmet bag.
I can feel the fin on the top.
There is some documentation
Some documents.
and some more foamies.
A little foamies.
And
that's
a box to toss.
And here's a helmet.
In my head, the Legend of Zelda treasure music or chest music's da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Another packaging.
Hold on a sec.
Hold on a sec.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Wow. Uh-oh.
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 There's a bag full of all the connecting cables and goodies.
Why'd you say uh-oh?
Oh, just because I'm really excited.
Oh, I thought you said uh-oh, it's too small.
No. It also comes with these little ear pad deals that go, on the ears. For noise canceling. Plays like a white noise, I'm to understand. Yeah, let's go ride.
No, not yet.
Okay, all right. Put it on? Should
Yeah.
go ahead and put her on?
Go ahead.
Let's open it.
While you do that, I'm gonna my turn. Doodle-doodle-doo. Yeah. Oh my, mine had the package, the documentation.
Oh, that's a snug fit.
That's how you want it, though.
It's got the new helmet smell.
Is there a new helmet smell?
Yeah, like plastics and adhesives. I love it. You can't tell, but I'm smiling.
No, you can totally tell. You can see it. It's happening. What is this? What is this? Ooh, it's like a knot.
Yeah, unknot it.
Anti-scratch visor, fully removable. Oh, he removed the jellies.
So on the back of this is the slot with a little protected rubber grommet for your micro SD card for your video and audio captures. Plastic protectee over the. There's also some controls on each side of the helmet. Here, as well as here. Looks like some volume controls. Also on the back of the, looks like right side, is another grommet port for a charge cable. So it looks like these connections are all protected from rain. Looks to be pretty durable. I'm very excited.
Outside buttons.
Outside buttons.
What
Buttons
is-
have a good tactile feel to them.
Whoa.
So you know you hit that button. That's
There's
what I'm
a
talking.
USB thing.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I haven't been paying attention to what you're saying. I've just been looking at my helmet.
Totally understand.
Okay,
Standard vents in the front.
Hold on.
Yep, vents on the top.
Hold on, let's get some 80s porn music to play.
Burn 'em.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it on. Glasses off.
It's that snug new helmet. Hurts to take off. I hope someone gets a slow-mo me taking mine off because I'm sure I was making a really funny face.
Everybody does. Okay.
Nice.
Yo! And you can tell it's a good fit when your cheeks are touching your eyeballs.
Yep. Looks like it comes with some power on it already. Does not come with SD cards. Let's open up this.
It's on there. Oh my goodness.
These also, the visors are pin lock visors, which if you don't know about that, it's an anti-fog design.
Ooh.
Works really well.
Just like if you wear.
Do you know what?
What?
I'm not entirely sure what that's for.
To place it down on?
Mayhaps.
Like a mount for your,
I guess, yeah.
for your helmet?
They
to
do
like...
make, yeah, so you can mess with the inside. That makes sense. You blow. There's a little inflatable donut. It says Sena on it.
I'm gonna have this facing forward on display in all of its awesomeness. And again, thank you, Sena, so much for sending us these helmets. They are amazing.
Super cool.
And beautiful and awesome. And as I should have said before, I am a new rider. Jason is a very experienced rider, and he's also very, 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 very familiar with the mechanics and basically all the working parts of a motorcycle and all facets of being a motorcyclist. He's well versed on the safety. He's well versed on gear, basically everything. So that's why I feel like it would be a good team up, not only because we're a couple, but because when you first start doing something like riding a motorcycle, it's kind of scary and intimidating, and I think it's really nice that I have Jason here to help me do that, but it's also really good for your guys' perspective because then you get to see if you're a new rider or if you're an experienced rider, you get two different perspectives. So that's cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what's this?
This is, it looks like a little instruction booklet.
Oh, it comes on a key ring.
Yeah, it's really fancy.
Okay, so we've got the Helmet Intelligence Noise Control TM. Trademarked. That is a trademarked phrase by Sena. We've got the guide, we've got some cablings, we've got the earmuffs, the ear pads.
Okay, yes, the ear pads seem to be
Interchangeable for
yes,
head
these
size.
are extra ones, and I think the ones that are already in my helmet are fitting pretty well.
Warnings.
Okay, to turn it on, hold the plus sign and the middle button at the same time for 1 second. Tap or hold.
There it goes.
Now she's on. It's a she.
What's her name?
I don't know yet. Sena.
That's not.
Okay. I'll think further on this.
That's her species.
Okay, so this button on the right side that has a speaker with an arrow coming out of it, that's your ambient noise button. So it's like noise canceling.
Okay.
From what I read, it cancels a lot of noise. Not all noise, because you still want to hear the road. Got to hear what's going on around you. Mm-hmm. You know what? I'm gonna connect. Getting it. Oh. Gotta adjust my earsies in there.
Ooh! That's what it was.
Oh.
It's a fog-resistant lens. This one.
Yep. Neat.
Are you wired in? That?
Well, it's saying things to me. I think I need to keep reading here.
We're gonna take some time to figure out these helmets before we get out on the road and try to make use of them so that the next video that you guys see of us on the road will be filmed via these cameras and recorded via the comm system that is in the helmet. But
Probably stop after that and kind of explain way more of what we've learned about these helmets when we're done with that as well.
What's all he's learned. But again, thank you, Sena, so much for sending us these amazing helmets. We appreciate it so much. We're looking forward to covering this journey, my journey, our journey, this journey, your journey, together, forever, Make sure you guys hit that like button and also go check out Sena on all social media. They are a really awesome company and they make really awesome products. I'm not saying that just because they sent us free stuff. We were actually fans of their product before they sent us anything. So we're the lucky ones. So let us know down in the comments below what you think if you are a writer and if you have any Sena products, what do you think? And yeah, I guess we'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, love you, bye!